So, good evening. 1. The best looking Spaniard we know. 0. Beaten again by our former manager, who was deemed surplus to requirements. Not good enough. Couldn't get a tune out of the players that they now, fast forward 4 years later, deem toxic and negative. They were toxic and negative players. Okay, but your manager got a tune out of them for a couple of games in a cup. Then binned them all, spent 650 million quid and ain't won nothing since. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Yeah. Let's light up that Arteta pack. Good evening. Smash the like button. Sub to the channel. Road to 90 is upon us. Sub to Lee Reacts. Free watch-alongs on there tomorrow. Atleti, proper manager against Almeria. Spurs at home to Newcastle. And then Barcelona, the hipster's choice, up against the other hipster's choice in Girona, the Catalan derby. But anyway, where do we begin with this embarrassment? Let's start from the beginning. The starting lineup, probably our best 11, if we're being completely honest. As much as I love Trossard, Martinelli's more effective at times and has been over a sustained period of time, although this season he's been woeful. But I looked at the 11, I was like, okay, I get it, cool. Kivior rightly dropped, 35's back in there, blah, blah, blah. See a lot of people going at 35 today. Oh, he was at fault for the goal. What about our centre-backs, mate? What about our goalkeeper? Because if you want to blame him, when our two centre-backs are in the middle of the box and John McGinn's got the freedom of the box, and then our goalkeeper maybe could have done better, maybe not, whatever, cool. Where are our centre-backs? But you want to blame him for that, cool. And listen, I don't rate that C-Tech Bart Simpson. Yeah, but when a player's done all right, I'll call it as all right. Yeah, when a player's done bad, I call it as bad. Them two centre-backs today, Bozo Gene. Bozo Gene. Worst performance together I've seen. Worst performance. William Saliba got bullied all game. And Gabriel, mate, both of you need to take a long, hard look at yourselves. Benjamin White was probably thinking about his next Ibiza holiday to Ocean Beach to see Wayno. Oh, I'm going to see Wayno. Maybe he was thinking about his next 8 minutes on the Caribbean setting at the tanning studio. Like, what is going on here, mate? Yeah, what is going on here? And if you want to call out, 35 for that goal, cool, because he was part of the problem. However, didn't see you calling out Odegaard, our captain, for Ross Barkley's goal, the third goal the other night, when he literally ducked a tackle, face planted the floor and laid on the floor, didn't even bother getting up. Didn't see you calling out Havertz, I said his name, for doing a fairy backhill type of challenge. I didn't see you cooking Ben White for letting Ross Barkley drop a shoulder and take the shot. You were all cooking the goalkeeper. So let's keep it on a level, yeah? If you're going to cook him for that, have the same energy for the rest of them, innit? But you don't, because you have your favourites. And all of a sudden, 35 is not a favourite of yours anymore because Tommy's fashionable. Well, let me tell you right now, mate. Yeah, Tommy ain't going to play until probably March. Yeah? Get in the bin. En la basura. En la basura. In the bin. Yeah? Let me talk about this captain. Captain. He spends more time doing this on the pitch. More time doing this. Yeah, maybe he can get that Vidal Sassoon contract or the Head and Shoulders contract. Yeah, or the Pantene, because I'm worth it. Yeah, get in the bin. En la basura. You are absolutely shocking. Absolutely shocking. Yeah, not only did you ghost most of the game, you missed 2 chances at goal. One, that 29 I'm coming to in a minute, put on a plate. On a plate. And you're supposed to be our most technically gifted player. because you do this and you got nice veneers and you're a pretty boy. Get out of here, man. I've got enough Norwegian subscribers, yeah? None of these subscribers rate you, mate, yeah? And that's your own fellow countrymen. They don't know why you're captain in Norway. I don't know why you're captain in my football club. Look at the people behind me. And you're captain. Cool. Furthermore, you're ducking challenges, mate. Why did you pull out of that tackle? Gibraltar guard pack. John McGinn showed you levels today, mate. Showed you levels. Showed you, oh, but Lee, they beat Man City as well. And what? Yeah, if we beat them today, yeah, and apparently we've bridged the gap with City. So if we had beaten Aston Villa today, 7-point buffer on them, 9-point buffer on City. We go back to the top. We basically kill Aston Villa off and put the pressure on Man City. And now we're above Liverpool. But no. Martinelli, I like you, mate. You're taking a piss. What are you doing? What are you doing? Running in straight lines, crossing to no one, slowing the game down. What's going on here? Yeah, what is literally going on here? In fact, what is going on here? What have I done here? Yeah, what is going on here? It's embarrassing. Bukayo Saka spent more time on the floor today than he did on his feet. Anyone going to call Starboy out? Oh, no, you can't, because he holds puppies and he's cute and he's played 201 games for the club and he's the poster boy. He was crap. Absolutely crap. Gabriel Jesus. You need benching, mate. Hold bench. You are not doing it, my friend. You are not doing it. You have been poor since you've come back at the back end of last season. You have been absolutely shocking. Yes, you have moments against Sevilla. Fantastic. Yes, you have moments against Man United. Fantastic. Ultimately, you ain't winning me a title. Hold bench. Let's go to 29. 29, yeah? The only player, along with 35, and I've seen a lot of people cussing 35, yeah? I call it as it is. He was one of our best players today, 35. Yes, you can blame him for the goal because you fancy Gabriel and Saliba and you don't fancy him. He looks like Bart Simpson. I get it. Yeah, but you fancy the two centre-backs. But ultimately, he was one of our better players today. 29 was man of the match for us. 29 was man of the match for us. If I was to give an overall man of the match, Ollie Watkins. He absolutely bullied us today. Absolutely bullied us today. Bullied us. 29 was man of the match. Running off the shoulder. Getting stuck in. Giving it the big one with Martinez. Yeah, love that. I want to see a bit of fight. I didn't see no fight out there today. Yeah, we're apparently going for a title. Well, on that basis, then, are Villa in a title race? What phase are they in? Yeah, what phase are they in? How many dogs have they wheeled out? How many ex-players have they wheeled out? Woohoo! Let's bring out the new merch. Yay! Yay, the Nicki Minaj Anaconda merch. Woohoo! Let's get Righty out here twerking his batty. Yeah, I ain't seen any of their ex-players coming out with merch. I ain't seen any of their ex-players sitting on TalkSport chatting the most crap. I haven't seen any of their top Aston Villa, top villains accounts chatting smoke, chatting BS. I haven't seen him spend 640 million quid. And I've PR and PR and PR and PR and PR. What phase is he in, mate? Because I'll tell you now, if we had given him 640 million quid, yeah, I'm telling you right now, yeah, we would not be embarrassed in Europe every year, which is what this manager has done. We would have took the cup serious, which is what he does. Yeah, hence his record. Yeah, 3 in a row with Sevilla. Got us to a final in his first year. Yes, embarrassed, cool. But guess what? He then beat us with Villarreal. I have more subs on this channel than Villarreal population in their city, mate. Yeah, and again, he's dunked on us. How do we make no subs until he's made 4? We have been getting away with it. Luton, we got away with it. Do you know what the only difference today is? Yeah, we just didn't score late. We just didn't score late. We scored late against City. We scored late against Luton. We've scored late 5 times this season in stoppage time. Didn't score late today, though, did you, lads? Eddie Nketiah, get out of here, man. Reece Nelson, you can go as well. Oh, but we missed Tommy. We missed that. Shut up, man. That manager, yeah, is a fugazi, mate. And I'll tell you right now, yeah, Tell you right now, you see Allo, mate, down at the lane, yeah? If he wins tomorrow, there's 6 behind us. What phase is he in? Because they ain't won a game for flipping 5-6 weeks. 6 weeks it is. He ain't won a game for 6 weeks. If he beats Newcastle tomorrow, and they're poor on the road, especially in London, yeah? If he wins tomorrow, he's 6 behind the best looking Spaniard we know. He's only just got there. Mad injuries. So what phase is he in? What phase is he in? What phase is Emery in? Yeah? Man City win tomorrow against Luton, which they will. They're 3 behind us. Crazy. Yeah? I'm out of here. Yeah? Trust me right now, yeah? If Unai Emery finishes above this manager, all of you Arteta sexuals are in the bin. All of you ex-players that have chatted the most smack, yeah? Woohoo! Ian Wright kissing the screen, wheeling out merch on FaceTime to Saka and Aubameyang. Arr! Get out of here, man. You lot are frauds. Frauds. All of you. Every single one of you. Every single one of you is a fraud. Yeah? You're lying. You're lying. We're out.